Okay, so that was the drone. The drone's been very challenging out here because it has to be connected to Wi-Fi. You got to verify every time you fly it, so that's kind of been a challenge. And this is probably the last time you guys will catch me in the beach setting environment, which is sort of sad. The next clips will probably be some airport type shit. Not looking forward to it.
Colo, what's up with you, man? You know who this is. I've been looking for you, man. I ain't heard from you since you've been back from Hawaii. I don't even know what's going on with you, man. Hit me up. I mean, you ain't making no videos no more. I ain't seen you wearing no sneakers no more. I ain't seen no Instagram posts. I'm just trying to catch up with you, bro. I know you've been in the sun getting a tan and all that, but holla at your boy. Peace.
Colo Culture, what's going on, dog? This is your boy Ken. Man, I seen the Hawaii stuff. Everything looked beautiful, baby. But I wanted to tap in with you real quick because before you left, I let you borrow $20, and it's been a little bit. I haven't got that back yet. So when you get this message, man, just give me a call, man. I'll be home all day. I ain't got nothing to do.
Colo Cleasy, man. Just want to make sure you're having a great day.
You got some Kool-Aid I can borrow, brother?
Man, would you shut the fuck up? I'm on the phone right now. Man, Cole, let me call you back, man. Peace.
Okay, that's a lot of kicks, man. I'm not even done yet. All right, man. It's just one of them days, y'all. This is what I gotta do on my off days. So we gotta get all these kicks into here. And look, that's starting to fill up too. Look at that. Real quick. Oh, those are old school. These are from like 05. These are the Albus pack. Inside out. Beautiful. Oh, I know what these are. Come on. Yup. These are not the ones I got from Goat, but these are the ones that I've been wearing because they just look so good. Yep, the Fredericks. Oh, it's so sad that these got to go in here. I mean, these storage facilities, they're cold, and I was thinking about putting a blanket on some of this stuff, but I don't know. Oh, I was looking for these. I was looking for these for sure. Yeah. I was looking for these too. No laces? Huh, interesting. This is gonna be good. Oh. You know, I didn't wear these much, but I do like them. Like, a lot. Here. Oh, I used to disapprove of these, but I love them. Oh, I thought I got rid of these. Yes, I really thought I got rid of these. Hold on. Whoa. Yeah, I thought these were gone, but they're not. And you've got to look at the wear on these. Ooh, these are retail. I don't know why there's plastic over them, but these are retail grapes. I think they're gonna bring those back pretty soon. Oh, we gotta have some. Oh, I love those. I actually should take these with me. As a matter of fact, yeah. We got some Steffingtons. Oh, I want like a title of these. What title were these? I should know. If I can get this box open, it'll be amazing. What is that? Oh, those are white on white creams, brand new. That looks like a pair of 9s. Yep. This is a pair of, ooh. Oh yeah. That's probably a pair of cap and gowns. I'm not gonna open this whole box. It's cap and gowns, you just have to trust me. Let me guess. Yeah, exactly. Still never wore those. You already know what those be. More Steffingtons. Oh, birthday cakes. Oh, I was looking for these. I should be wearing these now, but instead I'm wearing these. You can see a little bit in there. Those are the South Beach Miami joints. So comfortable. Stretch. Oh, those are retail. I really love those. Yeah, just not for the ladies. Check that video out. Then we still got a few pairs right there, and I think those are the Off-White 5s, Mooselands, the Sales, Gratitudes, and probably those white and green 2s.
We must pay homage to him.
This is too many pairs of shoes, man. That's a lot. Like, that was like a lot to deal with today. Like, is this a problem, you guys? Like, this is actually like some kind of weird addiction. I don't know. I think they're like flawless. These are a flawless victory right here. Like, I have no complaints. All right. So I probably won't go anywhere fancy today. What the heck? It's the winter, guys. It's the winter. This is when I usually slow down a little bit. So I'm gonna try to do some more inside stuff, because I know you guys for the years and years, you've been asking me to do like year-end reviews, top 10s of the year and all that. I'm gonna try to do all that kind of content, that like sit-down content. I'm gonna try it. I was with Nailman. Nailman's starting to get back in his bag with his son. So we're gonna try to get Nailman going a little bit more. And that's really it. When it gets cold like this, I tend to slow down because I like to go outside. And when I can't go outside, I don't make any content. You know what I'm saying? So it's back here somewhere. This is your guys' favorite shoe. I know it is. And it's, boom, a good old Panda. I know there's people out there, they're gonna try to send me like some year-end review sneakers and stuff like that, which I'll probably just wind up doing anyway. But I'm out. Peace, love, and light. Follow me on IG if you want to talk about the sneakers. That's it. Yeah. Day in the life of Colo. All right, so it looks like they're calling these the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, and they're supposed to be dropping on February 17th of 2024. And when I first started to see pictures of these floating around, I was really excited about them. I was like, yep, I'm definitely going to try to get those when they come out. But they've already kind of came out, and I've seen a lot of reviews, and I've seen a lot of people have these already. So the excitement kind of died a little bit, but I'm still happy I have a pair, which is this pair right here. So thank you so much, BJ, for the sneaker. I love them. They're amazing. Like, I'm sad I'm not wearing them as much as I should be. This was such an easy concept for Nike Jordan brand. All they had to do was just make an iconic sneaker that they've been making for the past 30 years. Tumbled leather. Like, that's the easiest. These look so good. These actually should have been tumbled leather back in the day when they came out in, like, what was it, 1988, 89? I mean, of course I love the OG, what is that, nubuck on them? I mean, of course those are classic, iconic, but this is just something different right here. I actually like the tumbled leather better than the nubuck or suede, whatever they're calling those from back in the day. I really like this sneaker. I'm actually shocked, and I shouldn't be, that I already have these in my hand. I mean, I actually had these since close to like November 10th, maybe November 11th. I've been slacking on the review, but these are amazing, man. I mean, when these drop, I'm still going to try to get a pair for sure. Like, these are definitely going to sell out. And I know Jordans have been kind of slow lately. Some of the ones they've been making, a lot of stuff, the Jordans have just been kind of sitting. But these are not going to sit. I will be first in the Sneakers app line, hopefully, to get a pair, and I'll compare them to these. But that's pretty much it. The shoes pretty much speak for themselves, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. I got another video tucked up under the sleeve. It's dropping pretty soon, so make sure you follow me on IG and all that good stuff. And I'm sure this will not be the only video I make of this sneaker. Someone's going to send me another one, or I might just get my hands on a retail pair, maybe aftermarket, after resale, whatever. Who knows, but this won't be the last review. I'm still in the digital world, guys. I know I'm just not as active, but, you know, that's just how it goes in the wintertime. I'm just kind of chilling and hibernating, but I will catch you on the next video. Peace, love.